Yo guys, how are you? Welcome in another video about Forex and explaining trading strategies. Uh, you are welcome in my channel, Yusuf AS Vlogs. Okay, this course will be about advanced swing trading strategies, forex trading slash stop trading. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe and give us some good comments and share the video with your friends. Thank you. So let's start. In this course, which is gonna be for free on YouTube, you will learn strong foundation and deep understanding about the upcoming as well as ongoing trend of the market. Okay, and step-by-step method of identifying the trade, entry, exit, stop loss, and take profit levels. Okay, after that you will get advanced trade, entry, and exit strategies to get maximum profit from a trade, and the strategy to trade the complex looking invalid swing trading setup on a trend. Okay, important price action basics, specially designed to make you able to read the market sentiment of a trend. Okay, and the time frame selection to trade the swing of a trend. Okay, and strategy to trade the valid swing point of a trend. Overall, very deep insight of the most reliable and profitable swing trading strategy to make a consistent profit from the market. Okay, so you will need basics understanding of forex or stock market trading, and basic knowledge of technical charts analysis. No special requirements are necessary. Even a new trader with very little understanding of technical analysis can understand the strategy. Okay, so advanced swing trading strategy. Learn a trade winning strategy for stock trading or forex trading that works in just 5 hours, and instantly start seeing profitable trades or get refunded. Okay, you will immediately start seeing profitable trading opportunities in your charts right after you complete watching the course. It's the good trusted by plus 10,000 traders worldwide. Okay, advanced swing trading strategy is the first and only complete course that will not only show you the step-by-step method to trade the swing,